welcome back to Orchard Meadows. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a pretty unique floor plan that we have. So come along. So right now we're in the walkway. You have this nice little landing strip, that way you can put your shoes down if that's what you prefer. Over here we have a balcony. It's a pretty decent size balcony. You can have some coffee out there in the morning, maybe a little garden. Super cute, super nice. And then there's this little nook in the wall. Over here is where I'd maybe like put my cat and really just kind of have it tucked away. That we have all this open space in here. It's super spacious. So now we're in the kitchen. You've got a ton of space in here. Lots of storage in the cabinets as well as the drawers. This specific apartment has a massive pantry. I think it's huge, so a lot of storage. You have your appliances, your full-size microwave, full-size stove, as well as a full-size refrigerator and dishwasher. Alright, so now we are going through the hallway. We're going to go back to our bedrooms over here. You have some extra storage right here in this nice little closet, as well as right over this way you have your guest bathroom. So right now we are in the first bedroom. You have a nice closet space, has 2 panel doors. Also, it has a great amount of light in here. This apartment is facing south, so just the light coming in right now, beautiful, absolutely great. So now we're in your master bedroom. This specific apartment is on a corner, so you have these great windows in here, so it gives you even more lighting. Again, we're facing south, but you have just great amounts of sunlight in here. You also have your attached bathroom over here, which also has a window. So that's pretty unique, super cool. So from this apartment, you can actually see our outdoor entertainment area, which has a nice full-size pool. We also have a 24-hour fitness center and a 24-hour business center. So right now we are in our social lounge, which has free Wi-Fi. You're able to just come and hang out a bit. Some of the amenities that we didn't get to talk about earlier was our Amazon locker hub. So that's here for you, as well as we have a dry cleaning service. So that all gets worked through your phone. You have a little app, so it's super easy. We also have a playground for the young ones, so have fun.